Hi everyone, it's Amanda, and look what just happened. I bought the Dreamland collection from Graphic 45, and I purchased it. They shipped it to me, and then guess what? I'm taking a class with Ginger from my sister Scrapper at the end of this month and making an album mini book out of this Dreamland collection. Who knew? But anyway, I didn't know I was going to sign up for that, or I probably wouldn't have bought this collection, but I'm glad I did anyway, I guess, because I'll have extras and I can do something else with it. But I have not seen these pages, so I'm going to actually see them for the first time with you right now. So what I have is the Dreamland 6x6 patterns and solids, and then I've got the collection pack, the 8x8, and of course, I've got this little cute ephemera package. So let's start with the 8x8. And I think 8x8 probably is going to be the same as the 12x12. So we'll just get a good look here. And so pretty, this signature page here. It's called Dreamland Collection, Dreamland. And the back has blue. You know, if you remember one of their Halloween collections, it was like a vintage Halloween. It had something like that. It was really cute. And there's 3 of every page. Ooh, this is pretty. This is called Blossoms Bright. That's really pretty. The, kind of a yellow orange on the back. And then we've got Unicorn Fantasy. Reminds me of Mother Goose. And then nice little dreams design on the back. This very well could be done for boys and girls. This is called Magical Moments. Looks like, what is that? It looks like Little Bo Peep. It says Sunny Dreams. Lots of borders, little cut aparts. I love these. And then this is an actual orange design on the back. This is pretty. Little girl, like I'm doing this because there's like little flecks of paper on it from like manufacturing or whatever. Dreamer of Dreams. Ooh, that's pretty on the back with the sunflowers. I love sunflowers. I think they're so pretty. We've got another Slumber Sea. On the back is the darker version. Some cut aparts here. Stars Aligned is what this one's called. These are great for the fronts of cards or little tags in books. This is called Moonbeam Dance. They're little mermaids and lily pads. That's really cute. And a nice, beautiful blue pattern here. They go really well together. And that was the last page. So this is the 8x8, and this 12x12 is going to be the same thing, only bigger. But what I wanted to show you is the stickers that are in the back, because those come with this collection. So let's pull these out. And I'll put links below if anybody wants to check this out. I don't know if I'll be able to find them, but if I can, I'll add links. These are little like tags, you know. They're not the traditional tags and pockets. These are definitely stickers, but you can make them into tags. Look how cute those are. Absolutely gorgeous. The colors are so vibrant and rich. Love that. So pretty. Look at this. I like to take stickers like this and make the pull tags from mini books. So this one is just the larger version of the 8x8 paper pad. This is the collection pack. And in the collection pack, I believe you get 2 of each page. So let's just review that on the front. This one is 2 of each of the 8 double-sided 12x12 papers and 1 12x12 cover weight sticker sheets. It says 12x12, but they're really now 2 6x12s. That's what that looks like. So pretty. And then here we have the patterns and solids. This is 16 sheets, 2 pattern solid papers of each. Let's see how many of these look like the same as what's in the 8x8. This is not folding over as well. There we go. Moonbeams with the dark blue on the back is pretty. I think these two go really well together with the collage. It's got this little dust all over it. You can see my fingers. They're getting dusty from this. I don't know why that is. More blue. So these are all the blue designs. More collage papers. I'm rambling. Love this pretty design. Got a light paler color. These got a little crispy on the edges here. It's cute. It's like a yellow color on the back. And what do we got here? That was the last page. These are all the paper pieces. Love this. It's so pretty. And a lot of them are very similar in nature to what's in the collection packages. So they do coordinate nicely, but some of them almost seem like they repeat or they're duplicates, you know, like that design there is just a big one in the patterns and solids. So you got to start to think, do you need the patterns and solids? It's a very good question to pose to graphic 45, I would say. So last but not least, graphic 45 now has these cute as a button little ephemera packages. So not only do they have like the you know how they had the journaling cards, but now they have these little pieces. Look, this is like an etched out flower. That's a really cute. The moon, I love that. Little label. Some hearts. Live your dreams, another etched heart. That's cute. Put these up a little. Sail away. We've got butterflies. That's cute with the little fairy on it. And you can tell it's fairy because this is the leaf in the back and so small comparatively. Little design there. Flowers. That's cute. A frame. Probably goes with something else here. Oh, I love the way these are just etched. Do you see that? The etching on the corners, so cute. We've got another label or tag. Some cute little designs there. That's cute. The weight of these are pretty good too. They're thicker than paper. Beautiful. Great for cards, as always. Butterflies. Another little focal piece for a card would be cute. Love these. Moonbeam Dance. Then Dreamer of Dreams. That one's cute. So cute. All these little designs here. The etching is beautiful. So there's some of these little pieces here that came out of that sun we first saw. And then we've got this nice frame like that. Fairy dance. That's cute. So many frames. I love this. It's really cute. What's this? Oops. Sweet Dreams. Okay, so that's everything from this ephemera pack. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna replace it and put it into a big envelope rather than back in the package because that package was cut open. So anyway, this is my new collection from Graphic 45 called Dreamland. I do really love it. It's very beautiful paper and I can't wait to work with it when I take the class with Ginger from my sister Scrapper down in Circleville, Ohio at Creative Chaos. It's the end of this month. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this and the crafty stuff I create with these paper packages, just subscribe to my channel and you can watch all that crafty goodness. So anyway, thanks a lot guys, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.